Very good afternoon, children. So that lesson is continuing. It is started with complementary angles and supplementary angles. Complementary angles and supplementary angles. What is complementary angles? When the sum of measures, when the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree. So that 90 degree means it is a right angle. It is a right angle. 90 degree means it is a right angle. Pairs of angles are called complementary angles. Say, what is complementary angles? When the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree. So 90 degree means it is a right angle. Pair of angles are called the complementary angles. See the examples. So here they given that example. So it is an angle. Total measurement of this angle is angle AOB plus angle BOC. So what is that measurement of angle AOB? It is a 30 degree. So what is the measurement of BOC? It is a 60 degree. So what is the measurement of that both angles? It is a 90 degree. So complementary angle always it is a right angle. So what is the measurement of that complementary angle? The pair of that angles sum is 90. Measurement of that angles, sum of two angles is 90 degree. So see the next angle. See how it is splitted and shown here. One angle's measurement is 70 degree and another one's angle is 20 degree. So what is that angle? ABC. Angle ABC. Angle ABC. What is the measurement of this angle? It is a 70 degree. What is the angle of DEF? What is the measurement of DEF? It's a 20 degree. So what is the total sum of that pair angles? ABC. Yes, very good. Angle ABC plus angle DEF. So what is the measurement? 70 degree. What is the measurement of DEF? 20 degree. So what is the total measurement of the two angles? The 90 degree. So it is a what angle it is called? It is called as complementary angles. Complementary angles. What is the measurement of complementary angles? The sum of two angles is 90 degree. Yes, very good. Now see the supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. When the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree. So what is the measurement of that angles? 180 degree. The pair of angles are called the supplementary angles. So first complementary angles, what is the measurement? The 90 degree. The pair of angles 90 degree. What is supplementary angles measurement? The pair of angles 180 degree. So say once again that explanation for supplementary angles. When the sum of the measures of two angles is 180. What is the measurement of the two angles? 180. The pair of angles are called supplementary angles. The pair of angles called the supplementary angles. Now see the example for supplementary angle. See that one. That angle y x, sorry, that angle x o y. See the angle x o y. What is the measurement of this angle? 130 degree. 130 degree. Next angle x o z. What is that measurement of that angle? 50 degree. What is the total measurement of a pair angles? 180 degree. So what is the first angle? 130 plus 50. Very good. Equals 180 degree. So this is the jointly they giving the angles. Now see the splitted angles here. One angle. What is the measurement of one angle? See angle MON. Angle MON. What is the measurement of this angle? 80 degree. What is the measurement of that angle? 80 degree. Next angle you see EFG. What is the measurement of that angle? 100. So what is the measurement of total pair of angles? 180 degree. What is the measurement? 180 degree. Did you understood the children? Shall we see that exercise? One exercise I will show you. Then you will understood how to find the angles. What is that one? First one. What is the first angle they given? Measurement 45 degree. So what is the complementary angle? What is the question they asked them? Write the measure of the complementary angles. So they given 45 degree. So one angle's measurement is 45 degree. One angle's measurement is 45 degree. So I am giving the name for that angle. Angle A, angle O, angle C. So one more angle B. So angle A, O, B. See here, angle A, O, B. Angle A, O, B. What is the measurement of that angle? 45 degree. Very good. So already they given 45 degree. So we want to find out that pair angle. Then only that measurement is 90 degree. Okay. So what is that angle? Angle. Yes. BOC equals 45 degree. So now how to write it? Angle AOB plus angle BOC. What is the measurements of both angles? 45 plus 45. You get answer 90 degree. Did you understand this one? Okay. One more question. So now this is the complementary angles. Second one, to find out, write the supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. So what is the given question? 80 degree. So what is the measurement of supplementary angle? 180 degree. So they given one angle's measurement 80 degree. So you draw the angle for 80 degree. This is 80 degree. We put the name XOY. So XOY, what is that measurement? 80 degree. So another one. So 180 degree means you given that 80 degree only. So remaining, what is that measurement of another angle? What is the measurement? 100. Very good. A O B. So what is the measurement of this angle? 100. So now calculate. You get a 180 degree angle. Yes. X O Y plus angle A O B. So what is the measurement of X O Y? Is a 80 degree plus 100 degree. What you get answer? 180 degree. Did you understood, children? Did you understood? Once again I am telling. So supplementary angle, what is the measurement? 180 degree. So in that question they given 80 degree. So one angle's measurement is 80 degree. So you might find out the pair angle. Okay. So X O Y. I am giving that name for that angle X O Y. That is 80 degree. So another one angle. So what is the pair angle? A O B. So measurement is total 180 degree. One angle's measurement is given. So we find out the pair angle. So what is the measurement of that pair angle? 100 degree. So how you get that 180 degree? Angle X O Y plus angle A O B. Angle XOY 80 degree, angle AOB 100 degree. So what is the measurement of that supplementary pair angles? 180 degree. Did you understand, children? Understood? Okay, very good.